All right, today is August 29th, exactly 2 months since I took delivery of the R1S Studios. That's where we're at. Wanted to show you all a quick peek. Right now, the odometer reads 2269. So if we're looking at averages, I'm over my average. I'm supposed to only be driving 1,000 miles a month, but I just been having a lot of fun with the R1S. We've taken a road trip. If you haven't checked out that Vegas road trip video, go check it out. But I've been lagging on this thing that I want to share with you on this video. So I have received my plates like 2 or 3 weeks after I took delivery, and I haven't put it on. But I'm gonna do it today. I found some time. So one thing with the Rivian license plate frames, they come with these like rubber spacers that you put behind the actual license plate to give it, like, separate it from the body of the vehicle so that you don't scratch the paint. The problem with that is they're just a one-time use. I mean, I guess you can buy these like from Amazon. I just don't know what the measurements are, these little spacers. And you could reuse the license plate frame. But hey, thank you, Joe. Thank you very much. So we're gonna go ahead and install the license plate and the frame in the back of the Rivian R1S Studios. So in the state of California, you get 2 stickers. You get the month and you get the year, and then every time you renew annually, you get a different sticker for the year. Expensive in California. Renewal is expensive, and you could only renew every year. Unlike in some states, I guess you could renew every 3 years. Although even if we could renew multi-years, man, I'm not gonna pay multi. I'm just paying every year. I'm not gonna prepay because it's expensive. So if you're wondering why I didn't use the old screws, these are shorter, and you need to use the longer ones that are included in the license plate frame kit. Yeah, so those rubber spacers are for it to prevent the frame or the license plate itself to hit the back of your car and scratch it up. And since I got my registration, you don't need this anymore. So we're gonna remove that and put that away. So what do I think about the R1S past 2 months? Love it, love it. Closer look video. If not, I'm still working on it. I'm sorry, please be patient. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.